Good morning, students of standard 9. Welcome in day 13. Okay, as you know that in day 12, I have discussed about how to find gravitational force acts between moon and the earth. Okay, today I am going to discuss about how to find gravitational force between sun and the earth. Okay, so before going this, kindly request to all of you, please sit with pen, notebook and your science book and turn page number 133. Okay, and see the topic: gravitational force acts between the sun and the earth. Okay, students, you know formula F is equal to gm1 n2 by r square to finding gravitational force of any object. Here there are two objects, earth and sun. That means you know the mass of the earth and mass of the sun and distance between earth and sun. Then the calculation is very easy, and then you will solve how what is the magnitude of gravitational force act by the sun on the earth or earth on the sun. So let us see here. Given B, mass of the earth, you know very well, me is equal to 6 into 10 to the power 24 kg, whereas mass of the sun, ms, is equal to, m for mass, s for sun, mass of the sun is equal to 2 into 10 to the power 30 kg. That means, students, you will just learn, you will remember that mass of the earth, mass of the sun and mass of the moon, radius of the earth, radius of the sun, radius of the moon, and distance between moon and earth, distance between moon and sun. You will just remember. Okay, now distance between earth and sun is r equal to 1.5 into 10 to the power 11 meter. Okay, this is the distance between earth and sun. Now we know that gravitational force F is equal to g me, m1 is equal to here me, mass of earth, into ms, m2, mass of sun, by r square. Put the value of F is equal to, put the value of capital G, 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11, me 6 into 10 to the power 24 into ms 2 into 10 to the power 30 by r equal to 1.5 into 10 to the power 11 whole square. Okay, now 6.67, you will separate the term without power, 6 2, 6.67 into 6 into 2 into 10 to the power, base are same, 10 10 10, so you will just add the term, minus 11 plus 24 plus 30, minus 11 plus 24 plus 30. Okay, by 2 times 1.5 into 1.5 into 10 to the power 11, 10 to the power 11. Okay, 6.67, 6 to the 12 into 10 to the power, now it becomes 30 plus 24, 54, minus 11, 43. So it becomes 10 to the power 43 by 1.5 into 1.5, 10 to the power 11 plus 11, 22. And now just remove the decimal terms. Here decimal, just remove 1 2 digit. So you will put here 2 zeros in the denominator, and there one decimal, you will just remove both decimal and count the digit. After decimal, one digit, two digit. So you will put here 100, 2 zeros in the denominator also, then 100 cancel out. Okay, now it becomes 667 into 12. Okay, 667 into 12, it becomes 8004. So you will put here 8004 by 15 into 15, 225 into 10 to the power 43, and this becomes, goes to upside in the denominator, then it becomes minus 22. So it will be 10 to the power 43 minus 22. Then you, when you divide 8004 by 225, then it comes 35.6. Okay, so F is equal to 35.6 into 10 to the power 21 Newton. Students, I have told you that you will find the answer in the gravitation chapter of each numericals, and you will put in a standard form. So here you will divide by 10 and multiply with 10, so it becomes 3.56 into 10 to the power 22 into 10 to the power 22 Newton. So this is your final answer. That means you can say that the gravitational force act between sun and the earth is 3.56 into 10 to the power 22 Newton. You can also say that the earth attracted the sun by 3.56 into 10 to the power 22 Newton, or you can also say that the sun is attracted attract the earth by 3.56 into 10 power 22 Newton also. Okay, students, now let us see what are the conclusion when you have find gravitational force of different object, a small object and heavenly body object. Okay, so let us see conclusion. Students, here conclusion, what you will conclude when you will find the gravitational force act between ordinary objects like a small object or heavenly bodies like earth, moon. Okay, we have already get the values of gravitational force. Okay, so let us see. We see that the gravitational force which act between the object of ordinary size, that means equal size or smaller size, is very small. Okay, you have seen there when you will find the gravitational force between two balls, okay, two persons, the value is very small. Let us see here, two person is 2.4 into 10 to the minus 7 Newton I have found there. Okay, so we can say that it depends upon the gravitational force. The value of gravitational force is depends upon the mass of the object. If mass is less, then gravitational is for less. If mass is greater, then gravitational force is greater. Okay, however, the gravitational force is very large when at least one of the two bodies is very large, and the value of gravitational force is very large when one of them body is very large. Okay, for example, the force with which the earth and a man, the mass of earth is larger than man, more larger than man mass. Okay, attract each other 5.86 into 10 to the minus 2 Newton. I have solved, you will see there. Okay, in previous classes, 5.86 into 10 to the minus 2 Newton. That means earth is attracted the man by 5.86 into 10 to the minus 2 Newton is about a billion, that means 10 to the power 9 times stronger than the force of attraction between two person. That means two person is attracted by 2.4 into 10 to the minus 7 Newton, whereas the force attracted by the earth of that person is about 10 to the power 9 times, yani billion times greater than the force of attraction between two person. See here, this is 10 to the minus 7 and this is 10 to the minus 2. So see the differences between minus 7, minus 6, minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1. Okay, and then becomes 2. Okay, 10 to the power 9 times greater than the gravitational force of the earth attracted by the person as compared to the other two persons. Okay, now students, it's time for your homework. Write down your homework. Students, here this is your homework for day 13. I have given one question. Make a chart for value of gravitational force which you have learned. I have solved so many questions, how to find gravitational force between two balls, between two persons, between person and earth, between moon and earth, between sun and moon. That means you will prepare a chart and put the value of there, what is the gravitational force between two balls, between two persons. Okay, like that. See chart of page number 133. Okay, see chart of page number 133 and you will do the answer of this question. Okay, today's class is over, students. Thanks to all of you for watching me. Have a nice day.